little Kunimavas. I haven't decided what I want to call you yet. Anyways, welcome to Virde Oru Vlog 3. I'm not doing anything today except I'm going for the How to Train Your Dragon live action today with my cousins. So we're planning a little discussion of that again in the car. At this point, it's less vlogging and more movie reviews. Anyways, bye!
Hi.
I tried to grab a boob so there wasn't much.
Rude. Cancel.
Snap Snapper.
It's my apple. Taking ice cream, zero sugar. That's why.
Yeah. It's only 3 calories, Nikki.
अभी बाहर नहीं ले लो दांत में जूस दे दो. We didn't buy from here. So listen, someone's gonna walk in right now, and it's gonna be a science experiment, and we've all been chosen for it. And
I'm
it's
just
an
gonna
exam.
no. I'm just gonna leave.
You can't leave. The doors will be open.
I'll just wait at the door.
I'll be right back.
I'll be camping at the door.
Okay, what experiment though?
It's like a divergent thing that's happening in real life.
Oh god, we're not gonna fail.
Because it's so much.
You have no divergency.
Of the big W, okay? They need reinforcements. So they're gonna do like a divergent training thing to find out who here is
Compatible.
compatible.
So
has the aptitude.
the aim is to fail.
No.
Yeah,
it's
and
a-
also as if the armies are filled with brainful people. Brainful?
You failed automatically.
No. By her logic, she should be hired. You're hired. you go to war.
Each time Oprah says there's like a blast.
Cannons are firing.
This one.
Are you struggling to fit in?
No, I'm not. Fit in? I mean, like socially. What's going on here? It's fast for us.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the dragons.
So we spoke quite a bit. To recap, the movie was fantastic. It was awesome.
Must watch.
The movie is How to Train Your Dragon live action.
We didn't even say that.
HTDYTD.
Yeah.
YTD, how to?
HTT YTD.
How
No,
to?
HTT.
Your titty, my titty.
HTT, YTD.
Why did he?
How to train your
No.
your titty dragon. YD. How to train your dragon.
Yeah, HTTYD.
What? How many T's you had? HTTYTD.
First of all, that was a joke. I can't believe you two. What you guys, just for the records, you can share this with me. What did you say?
It's not Dune.
It's Predator.
The music.
No. Not the music, his face came up on the screen.
Oh
Yes.
shit! I was like, what the hell?
No, it's a
Why
waste.
is Dune
It's
getting
a
like
waste.
because it's
Yeah.
the plant with the spikes growing?
Yeah, it was
What's
getting
happening
too-
in
No, I
Dune?
saw like the shape of his head and
Exactly.
I was like, is that some other monster?
Exactly.
Yeah. Because the white tubes kind of fit with the Dune theme,
Yeah,
sort
yeah, I
of.
know,
So I was
yeah,
like,
yeah.
No, the intro scene.
Yeah, the intro, the desert
Yeah.
and the big like towers
And
in the
the
background.
weird
yeah.
music was
Yeah,
so
yeah. So I was
good.
like, okay.
No, but it's the way we said we were watching. I both look at each other like that. We're like, it's not Dune. It's Predator. His face.
Oh, it was so good.
That was
I don't
amazing.
even like that series because you all amped it up and I saw it. So I was like,
Yeah,
must
yeah,
watch.
yeah.
Must
I
watch.
was so excited.
And
after
every
that.
time that
And also, what is it? It's from the point of view of the predator. The movie. What the
Oh, how dumb. No,
What
no,
is-
it's not going to be worth watching. I don't
after
think so.
I don't
after
know.
it comes to Earth and kills all those people.
Yeah.
But
But
this
this
is-
dreadlocks now. Did you see the dreadlocks flying while he was like cutting the? He was like, why is Keem here? Actually, I blushed a little when I thought about it.
It's Keem Sama on YouTube. Check it out. He's pretty cute.
Oh my god, he's so cute. And he's 6
That's
foot
not
two.
how we're watching it.
He's
but,
massive. And he's so like thoughtful.
He's so stupid.
Massive and so thoughtful and stupid.
Which is like part of the appeal.
Which is
And
what
he's
we-
funny.
Which is the kind of man we want. You know?
Yeah.
Coming back to the dragons and How to Train a
Okay,
Dragon.
don't give the short form. Shut up.
Okay. To the dragons and the scale of it.
They would-
So there was a Quidditch match. The vibe of when they fly around on the
the broomsticks.
That's the thing I felt when each time the dragons were kind of whooshing around.
The
They
momentum.
spent time to shoot that.
Dragons were not animated with like humanoid faces.
Yes.
There's no human
They made them
expressions. It was
scary.
And
Especially,
their eyes are so cute.
especially the fire one. I didn't expect them to make him
oh,
so
that
scary.
was scary.
I didn't expect them to do that.
A bunch of adults sitting over there and laughing. It was the best, guys. It was magic.
No, I love that
can't-
fat guy saying that again. He keeps playing in my head now, and he was like the bite's like 15, and he's like.
He's a perfect.
Yeah,
dude.
he
I
was
loved him
perfect.
I started getting excited for the book. Every time he mentioned what is written in the book,
Dude,
he
so what
was
did-
making weird noises. Yeah, like
And
the
the
other
other
guy.
asked that yo dude
Uh,
to
yeah.
jump, and they lifted their hands, looked at it because he was.
They missed him, Reshma. Like actually, he would have died.
And then they're like, I can't believe that worked.
You know, that's like, what is that, like 15 feet in the air?
15, where's the rest? There's like 100 feet in the air.
It was-
It was the scale, right?
Yeah, I know. We were really small. We were not as big as his nail also. His nail also was bigger than us.
She popped out his teeth.
Yeah. Ah, yes, correct. Nice. That was nice, Reshma.
Honestly, what the hell is
Oh my
that?
God, it's like here. It's like.
Eyeball. Oh, flip.
Oh yes.
So they're like the dust mites in our eye.
And he's like punching the shit out of his eye. And
This
you're like,
much.
Yeah.
More than 100. So the fall would have killed him. Freaking
Yes,
I can't believe that
definitely.
worked
yeah,
itself.
yeah.
One minute.
Those twins really.
And they both. Dude, the eyes opening was disgusting. I
The
don't
multiple?
remember in the cartoon.
It did.
There are multiple
Yeah,
eyes.
yeah.
Ew.
Multiple like 3. I
It's like
think.
we're confusing our own, and that's enough for that fat thing to fall to the ground.
I've lost power on the Bronco! Stall out! Do something!
Don't say that.
And
He's
he's like, I'm okay.
Let's go.
I'm okay! Less okay!
And then the scene where he gets up and his leg is cut. I didn't expect the actor to cry. Like his eyes
His
teared
eyes
up.
teared up.
So they gave him direction to emote all that. Because then he'd be like,
He's 17.
He's brilliant.
He's 17 and he's doing that.
He's
Oh my god,
brilliant.
he's so. And also, he loves this movie. So he's like, when I put the clothes on.
oh, I didn't
and
watch
look-
all this. I didn't watch
I've
all
seen
this.
like a clip
Okay,
on
okay,
Instagram.
okay,
Is that
okay.
when I put the clothes on, I looked in the mirror and I was
That must
That's
have been
why.
like.
That's why he did right by his role.
Yeah.
Every time he smiled, every time he has that twinkle. You know the other actor that has twinkle in his eye is that kid from Charlie and the
Yes,
Chocolate
yes. I don't
Yeah,
remember
yeah,
August
his name.
yeah,
Rush,
yeah,
that
yeah.
fellow.
The
What's
one
his
that
name?
the one that acts like.
Yes.
Doctor. But when he was a kid, nobody gave me
Oh my
goosebumps.
God, yeah.
His eyes had like
Yeah.
wonder in them. Till today, think about it. Charlie and Chocolate Factory. They was like, chocolate, that doesn't make sense. It's like, it doesn't have to make sense. That's why it's chocolate.
Yeah.
Candy doesn't have to have a point. That's why it's candy.
So
This boy.
had that little twinkle
He
in
does,
his eye.
he
But
does.
he's not a baby, but he's a grown-up
Oh my
version,
god!
but
And there was sometimes like a side profile, and he's on a mission.
when he's on the...
Oh, that's horrifying. Horrifying.
Horrifying.
Korean in the
house. Not Korean, but Filipino.
say
He's very horrifying.
No, his
Sorry,
age, yeah,
his age.
17. Isn't
No, we
that so
said-
young?
Yeah, it is.
How old is she? Do you know?
Who's so young?
No, her name is not so young.
Why'd you say?
They're going
Yeah, she was like, isn't that so young?
Oh, I got the hiccups, I think. Oh lord. No.
Now they can do the transition to movie 2 and movie through. Movie 2 and through.
Oh, I'm done. Yeah.
Movie 2 and 3 very well.
Through and through. Means basically what
He looked
oh,
good with
Gerard
fish
Butler was so good. You know they increased his size overall because that's not
Yeah,
too
yeah,
much.
that's- yeah.
But they had to make him like a Viking man.
Yeah,
His,
yeah,
his hand was on
actually,
the road.
the thing is
hand is on the road.
No, even when he holds her hand, you're like,
That
yeah,
scene.
wow.
We all, yeah.
Even when
that's
he puts
good.
his hand on Toothless, his entire face is covered.
Toothless's face when he swam away with Hiccup and the horror was like
That was bad. I hate Reshma for that also.
Yeah, that was exactly. I mean, like, when gone, thoughts flew our
that's
mask.
the train of thought going away from the station.
Left the station.
Yeah, but Stoic was made big, but then the second he took off his coat, he looked puny. It was so. I didn't like that.
Where?
I
In
didn't
the
notice
hall?
that. Oh, the last scene, the
Whenever,
ending
no,
scene.
whenever he took off his
I didn't feel I didn't feel
whenever he
that.
took his cloak off, he's massive. So when he took it,
was
like
really
suddenly
small.
there was not enough. And the thing is,
I didn't
Stoic,
feel-
even if when he takes the cloak
still
off,
huge.
he's
Big
that
man.
big.
Big
I
man.
cannot wait for them to make part 2 because the mom
No,
character.
you think they will?
They
Stoic,
might.
don't be so stoic.
Why not? The whole universe is ready. They have the props. They have the
She said it
universe.
3 times.
Why so stoic? Stoic. How many-
Stoic. Stoic. Why so stoic? How many times can you say it in one
Reshma
sentence?
liked it so
I'm
much.
sorry.
She kept adding a stoic to it.
And the accent is there all the way. Stoic. Why so stoic? Stoic.
Don't call it out like that.
Sorry. I'm okay now.
Dude, he's so cute. Listen, you think
And then he kissed her after that.
You're just as lovely as the day I lost you.
I cried. I'll cry again.
the friend, I forgot his name. Perfect casting.
Oh, yes.
Casting.
I love this
Even
voice.
the way he did his beard.
So, his walking stance.
The way he
His
spoke,
accent,
the way his
his voice was literally perfect.
Yes,
it
it was.
literally. I don't know if that is the voice actor. Like I want to know.
yeah.
to get out there and start fighting dragons. You've got to stop all of this.
You just gestured to all of me.
Yeah. Stop being all of you.
Dude and their friends. Every time he's like, I would have taken the hammer. He's like, wait, just watch. Like, very nervous, Dada. Very
Even when the
stressed.
dad was like, you go with them, and then he's like, what are you doing? And he's like, you have that wild look in your eye, so I'm gonna stick around here. And it's like, stop it.
They're the best friends, dude. He was there when his wife left, died and everything. So it's his best friend, and he
his
can
best
see the
friend-
boy being a misfit. And then the boy is finally flying on fucking dragons. He's like, looks like a chief material, right? He's like, yeah, but he's nervous still. The expressions on both of them when the kids came in on the dragons.
Yeah, I know.
Because in his life, it has amounted to this: seeing their kids flying in. Can you
On
imagine
dragons.
a psychic? Like, you're like, what is even? And then it took
Imagine a psychic.
psychic.
What is she doing? His psychic's like, damn, they're gonna die.
Okay,
No, it's
that's
that lady back in the middle.
Yeah,
He's
the
like-
old woman.
They didn't show that scene where he's on that island and the tiny terrors are around him,
And they come to eat the fish
and then Toothless like puts
into
it
the
in.
mouth.
So that's how he learns that they're flammable inside.
Yeah, they're not
that
fireproof.
was important.
Which is why he did it for the big dragon then, finally.
Okay, good.
They removed that scene.
Good, you brought that up. So I wanted to understand that. So when he was building up the gas or whatever in his mouth and tailing him, he turns fires. The whole
Thing with burnt.
okay, but
yes.
he is made of fire. What I'm thinking is all he had to do is close his mouth and like swallow.
He's not
like,
made
why
of
is he
fire.
implode? Like why is he?
Because he's filled up with the gas, right?
Yeah,
so
it's
then
gone all the
it's
way,
exploded,
like-
and then he lands into the
That ground.
volcano.
That's what he dies.
And
That's why he
then
dies.
Nobody kept
everything-
doing whatever that
Because
thing he was doing.
he's burning, no? He's not made of
his
lava.
inside is not.
Not into his
the
body.
gas
Yeah,
catches
exactly.
fire.
Yes.
Or else they're throwing fire out.
Yes, it's not
But
internal.
this it went inside and all is like,
Internal organs must have burned.
Okay.
I don't know
it's
if
how
that's enough.
it's how snakes spit venom. You know those glands. Venom. Those glands. Essay. I know the.
I didn't know it was recording, but I was just wondering like, where's my cousin going with this, and I saw the camera. Marty was already moving out of the frame. So I was like, okay.
Okay.
You know, the snakes spit venom. Can't find the correlation, but it's okay. We move on.
No.
But they are the same glands.
She did the shit in the morning when we entered
The reptiles.
When we entered the mall, also the beginning, she was talking about some rubbish. No, it's the same thing she was saying.
Oh my god, yes. And I kept saying, Final Destination, and how they always get stuck in the place. And she was stuck on the laser bed. And she's like, I wouldn't get
She's
out.
like, and you know, I wouldn't be able because I'm stuck. And I'm like,
No, she's like, I'm stuck in the sheets. What if I get stuck in the sheets?
Thing is like on a pipe.
Oh.
What are the words? English. Como se
She
dice?
went to a really cheap place where the laser was on the end of a pipe. And the gardener was like, let's go.
Oh, she's dressed well, no, that girl? It's too humid outside though. Wait, she's gonna cross now anytime.
La 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 la
You
la.
can't see
Our
shit.
faces are lit also, so it'll be very obvious when you're like, oh, nice.
But see, she's got that
Isn't the
strut.
bag like much bigger than her?
I wish I could read the brand name because I'm sure we can't afford it.
It's Arabic.
So we definitely can't afford it.
Okay, I don't think we can afford most of the things.
The brand's name was Abu Abdullah. Guys, I'm telling you, when I go abroad, I'll make a brand called Abu Abdullah, put it very fancy font, and all the foreigners will be like, oh my god.
Yeah, have you been to this Ablak Chublak?
Yes.
Abu Abdullah.
The door is open all the time.
Oh!
I put oud and stuff so they feel very like
That's
international
actually
about it.
so true.
That's a
She
long
said
thing.
something else also that made sense.
Reshma's a proper front of house. Like, you know, the
That
Intercontinental.
ass like that.
She's facing the customer.
Oh,
man.
sorry.
And then she'll be like, excuse me.
No,
And then I say, oh, but then it's my butt.
she'll be always facing her back towards them. Nice to have you. That's bad. We were supposed to be like a credible store.
Yeah, sophisticated.
What is this?
This has become a strip joint.
Whole house. Oh my god. Welcome to Upwork.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. That also works, dude.
Nikita, have you lost your mind?
Oh my god, so many business opportunities. Anyways, coming back to
No,
the movie.
it's not.
It's not. Not at all.
So, the movie, brilliant. Must watch.
Beautiful.
10 on
Must watch. I'm saying this will come out 2 months after the movie has gone from the theaters.
10. Oh my bum.
Okay, so with that, thank you for watching Verde Ur Vlog 3.
What's only the third one?
Yeah.
So
Second one's out
cute.
yet?
No.
Could be the 2 or the 3. I don't know
Happy
this
New
one.
Year 2026.